Law helpers.
Hi guys, so in this video number 3 of the 5-minute series or memorize series, today we are going to see the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, which constitutionally recognized the languages. So originally under this schedule there are only 14 languages, but through various amendments now it is 22 languages. So the list of the 22 languages provided in the screen, from Assamese to Urdu, that is totally 22 languages. The list is in alphabetic order. So what will be the question from this 8th schedule for UGC NET law is that they will ask, provide a list of languages and will ask a question like which is not in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. So you should be aware of all the 22 languages. Okay, the next question which they may ask is, what are the languages that are originally in the 8th schedule and what are the languages that are introduced by the constitutional amendments. So originally there were 14 languages and 8 languages were added. So first let's be clear about the 14 languages that were originally in the schedule. So the first one is Assamese. This is in the alphabetic order. In this list is like based on a clue, that is KTM, pushback of KTM. First you say the northern state Kashmir, so Kashmiri, and the southern state Tamil Nadu, Tamil, and the center one is Madhya Pradesh actually. When you come down, there is Maharashtra, which has the language Marathi. So first for the KTM you remember Kashmiri, Tamil and Marathi. Then for push you remember Punjabi, U for Urdu, S for Sanskrit, and Sanskrit and Hindi is more or less similar, so Hindi. Okay, then for bag you remember Bengali, Assamese and Gujarati, and for off take only O, that is Odia or Oriya. Then for the KTM you put together all the southern languages like Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam. Got it? So how you have to study is, the question will be like, they will give the languages and they will ask you whether this is originally there or provided by the constitutional amendment, or this languages was never in the 8th schedule. So you just remember this K, T, M, P, so that you can immediately analyze and provide the choose the correct answer. So remember this clue, KTM, pushback of KTM. KTM is a bike, and in a Audi car there come a pushback like that. You remember pushback, and then again of KTM. So Kashmir, Kashmiri, Tamil, Marathi, Punjabi, Urdu, Sanskrit, Hindi, Bengali, Assamese, Gujarati, Odia, Oriya, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam. Okay, then here you have to also remember that Odia, was actually there in the schedule. Then it was substituted by the word Odia by the 96th constitutional amendment. You remember this, like 9, if you put upside down you will get 6. So that, like that, Odia and Oria is same, but it is slightly changed. So 96th constitutional amendment, you remember, this may also come in the exam. And in the next thing, you are going to see like what are that 8 languages which were provided by the constitutional amendment and by which constitutional amendment it was added. So you can definitely expect a match from this amendment. So remember, first Sindhi was inserted as the 15th language by the constitutional amendment 2-1. Okay, so Hindi, Sindhi, so Hindi is already there, so by matching that they have provided Sindhi. Remember this by like, one is Hindi and two is Sindhi, so it is 21st constitutional amendment, or keep your own clues. Okay, then the 16th language Nepali is added, 17th Manipuri, Konkani is 18th. So if you take 17 and you make it upside down, sorry, you collapse it, you will get 71. Okay, so 7117. So remember this. For keeping in mind Nepali, Manipuri, Kongani, I have given a clue: namak, that is salt, NMK, you take NMK. So Nepali, Manipuri, Kongani. There is already K for Kashmiri and Kannada. Don't collapse, like confuse that with this. You remember Kongani, okay? Like Malayalam, Manipuri, and there is other M also. So don't confuse with that. Be clear on this, okay? Then for the other four languages, 19, 20, 21, 22, Bodo, Dogri, Sandali, Maithili. Okay, for this I have given BDS, that is Bachelor in Dental Surgery, and Masters in Dental Surgery. So for B you remember Bodo, for D you remember Dogri, for S Sandali, and for Masters you remember Maithili. I just added DS to remember, okay? But up to M you remember Bodo, Dogri, Sandali, and Maithili. And for this 92 you remember in 19 9 and in 22 2. Okay, in the first number and the last number you're taking 92, 92nd constitutional amendment. Okay, I think this is enough. You keep on memorizing this so that you will not forget this in the examination. Thank you. In case you find this video useful, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and also like and share it with your friends also. Thank you.